Hello everyone. Another storm moved through the area. We thought we're gonna miss it. Turns out we actually got it. So another normal monsoon night for us again. Once again. Yeah. Anyways, we have like really cool lightning strikes over here. So if you can see what happened earlier, this is what happened. This tipped over when there were like a bit high winds. I say about 60 miles per hour. So you want to see, if you can see, I'm just gonna tell you because I don't think you may see. Uh, it's basically very heavy, the rain at this time. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that well. So yeah. So we got a storm that rolled through the area. Now it looks like we're accumulating rain fast this time. So yeah, something with this storm. Anyways, yeah, I just want to show it off. Uh, so yeah, we get this really cool lightning strikes here. So, anyways, that's all. Um, I'll check it out. This, I'll, I'll tell you how much we got tomorrow.